These are the bottom rings. We kept those in the bin. No idea why, but we did. So we're loading them up now in the trailer. This hooks to the concrete right here, and this is attached to like this adapter thing that goes on the ring. And that's how they keep it down on the trailer. I want to get a drone for Christmas so I can get drone footage. Lady truck.
If we had that boom thing, we could pull in here and pick them jacks up and carry them out. We're going to have a load for the tools.
Who's that one?
Joel's.
And Dad.
No, you come up and set them up ourselves.
We throw them over and take either that or take the chain hoist off first. Oh, we'll get it.
Hop off here.
Much worse than this.
See you guys in the next one.